how's it going, everyone? My name is Ryan from Wolfington Body Company. I am the digital marketing specialist over here, and today we're going to be creating a YouTube channel. That's right, you heard correctly, a YouTube channel. So this channel is going to be some tips and some tricks on how to fix a bus, install a part, preventive maintenance, keep your bus running smoothly. I mean anything, guys. I want, if you could, shoot some questions down below. If a video you want to see, you want to install a part, you're not sure, come on, ask some questions. We'll be gladly to make a video about it. So give you a little background information on Wolfington Body Company. We're an IC bus dealership, serves New Jersey, Pennsylvania, and Delaware. We don't strictly just deal with IC or school buses. We do commercial units as well. We have a service shop, body shop, parts warehouse. We do mobile service as well. So we come out to your lot, fix your units, and help with downtime. So by all means, guys, I'm going to show you around our facility, show you around our body shop, our service shop, just kind of show you what we do here, our culture, and just get the gist of everything. So let's go check it out. All right. So this is our service shop. As you can see, we got some school buses in here, some IC units being worked on. We also work on heavy duty, medium duty, light duty trailers. You name it, we fix it. Looks like an engine swinging is going on over here. So these two units right here, this is where we get them all squeaky and clean, as you can see. I mean, they look perfect. Amazing, as some of you would say. Just a little overview here, guys. All right, let's go check out our body shop. This is where all the magic happens. All right. So you can see that red truck right there just got a fresh new coat. We have a Collins unit right here being worked on. Looks like it has some extensive front end damage, but that's nothing to Wolfington Body Company, guys. That's easy work. All right, let's see if anything's in our spray booth here. I believe that unit was just in there, so I'm not sure if anything is here. We're doing something else over here. It's Javier, he's our body shop foreman. All right, guys, let's go back up to our service shop. See if we can find Drew somewhere around here. I just want to show you guys him because we're gonna be working with him in almost all of our videos. And again, guys, this YouTube channel is for you. So I mean, comment down below any videos you would like to see. If you guys are having problems with anything, please comment. This is to help both of us out here. And this is an IC golf cart right here, guys. We made this from in-house, from IC bus scraps, so it's all authentic. Everything you see here was made here in Wolfington Body Company. Sorry for that bus, it's a little bit loud, but work needs to get done. Let's go back into the office here. Oh, wait, there's Drew. Can't see him, but you guys will meet him in the next episode. Hey guys, hope you liked the tour there. It was just a quick one, I know, but that was our service shop, our body shop. I showed you a little bit of the office. I will get more in depth in each of those departments as we kind of progress here and make more videos, show you more content. But for right now, I think that was good enough. Again, guys, I can't reiterate this enough. This channel is for you guys to help you out in any way we can. You know, you're stuck at home, you're stuck at your garage, in your driveway, you're trying to figure out, where does this part go? How do I fix this? You know, we're here for you. So I'm excited. I hope you are too. I hope you learned something. I hope I learned something. It's gonna be a win-win on both sides, guys. I'm excited. So tune in next week. It's gonna be a great episode. Have a good one.